You look at yourself in the mirror, right? You've got your good shoes on. You've got your good shoes on, your dancing shoes. Your best wake up in the morning socks. Tiger stripes in your chest. Oh no, I'm not ready for dancing, you say. Yes, you are.
But you remove the doubt when you open up your fool's mouth.
This is my studio. As you can see, it's wall-to-wall chairs. Not really for students, more for onlookers until they reach the required grade.
Hi, we're Goldfish.
And you're watching MK Flips. That sounds like I said MK Flips. MK Flips you the birdie.
Kyk, dis wie se tyd. Dis MK Flits tyd. En hier is jou nuus van die week. 'n Vrou wat 'n vlug na Kanada toe wou vat, het met haar hoogswanger maag besluit om die vliegtuig te klim. Obviously moet jy eers deur douane gaan en by douane bevoel hulle jou en toe voel hulle aan haar maag en hulle voel toe dis bietjie koud en 'n bietjie hard en toe hulle dit voel, toe sit sy 'n remoer op en toe weet hulle dadelik iets is fout. En toe sit 'n fake pregnancy want sy het kokain agter haar fake maag. What a champ.
Ek onthou nog ons huis se kaal mure. Ek onthou die kerslig ons.
Hi, we're Goldfish.
Yeah, it's been great to be back. Always good to be back in South Africa. We were lucky enough to do Big Show in Durban as our first gig. Durban Day was crazy, 14,000 people. Joburg Day, 28,000 people. Colour Festival, it's another whole bunch of people. What a pleasure to come back for gigs like that. Super stoked.
In 3 years since our last album, and the new album's called 3 Second Memory. It's taken us 3 years to make it. So that's where the 3 comes
We've
from.
tried to release it 3 times.
Exactly. It's been three attempted releases, but various factors like being on tour, record companies, etc. It's kind of made it. But this is the right time, and it's. I think it's some of our best work. We've definitely done, you know, some songs we're really proud of, and the single, our latest single is called 3 Second Memory, which is the name of the album as well, and it features a really cool sample from an old track by Blue Boy, which we really loved when we were younger, so it's kind of like a nostalgic tinge for us as well. Well, I mean, as far as it being a 3 Second Memory, you know, we've been through this, but Dave and I spoke about it. You know, obviously everyone says the Goldfish is 3 Second Memory, which has been proven to not be true.
Yes, it's
but
a myth.
it's also got to do with the fact that I think we've kind of felt for a while that a lot of dance music and electronic music and music in general has become a little bit more disposable, and stuff's like cool for 6 weeks and then you never want to hear it again. And that's something, you know, we're trying to not do. We're trying to make music that's timeless, something that'll last and something you can still listen to in 10 years. Okay. I've never seen anyone twerk live. I don't think it really crosses over into the audience that come to our shows. It's not really like a thing. It seems like more of a, like, I don't know, like a pop teen Miley Cyrus vibe, which is about as far away from Goldfish as you can get.
I think pretty soon you guys are going to see someone breaking it down in the crowd.
We may have to stop them.
You may have to stop.
I think the most said phrase by Goldfish in Afrikaans is praat ek luister. Like,
Best
it was just like
language.
talk Afrikaans, you know? Ja, lekker.
So my ma het altyd vir my gesê jy mag nooit 'n lift saam met random mense vat nie. Moet ook nie vir random mense 'n lift gee nie. Maar niemand het ooit enigiets gesê van diere nie en veral nie as hierdie diere leeu is nie. You get the picture. Want dis 'n video. So die inset producers by MK Flits is so ongelooflik goed dat dit actually dit reg gekry om nou met 'n professor wat 'n PhD in international dancing het te gaan praat oor twerking en oor die hele Miley pandemic.
Sluk ek al die bitter in 'n bitsige ontwikkeling wat sukkel om die vinger in my gesig te verklaar. Voel myself verdedig teen die stewige beledigings en deeglik nou die bewings van die storm laat vandag.
Welcome to my studio, the most amazing place of magic and wonder. Me, Vickers Pretorius. No, I don't play rugby. I'm much more hardcore than that. Fan bout and street fighting from the south. And first and foremost, PhD in dance. Speciality, twerking. If you don't know by now, I am the twerking. The first time I experienced twerking was back in around 1922. I was on a football pitch with a bunch of girls who were bigger than me. And they thought I couldn't play along. So we were playing football and they crossed the ball over, and instead of kicking it, I used my glutimus maximus to score a volley from about 130 yards. They still talk about that goal. Also, only because I was the only boy in a girls' school. Still a good goal though. Excuse me. More important things to do than talk to you. Keep hydrated and never twerk without a Pez. Girls love the Pez's. Just don't go near a school. It looks odd if you're twerking with candy in your hand near a school. To keep a body like this in shape for twerking, I take a wooden spoon between my buttocks and churn butter. It's the only way. It's the best way for twerking. The Twerk King recommends churning butter at least thrice daily. It's hard to look awkward when you're twerking because it's such a graceful thing. I'm not part of a twerking gang because no one's really good enough, but I am part of a twerk team. It's similar to WWE, except we have more oil, less clothing, and we tag in and out of the ring using our rears. We're all good friends in the end. You'll find that you form quite a strong bond when you twerk with people. Time for a Pez. It's like steroids, but the good kind. It's like hippie crack. No, I'm joking. This is good for you, kids. Eat as much Pez as you can. Awards. I don't know if you've got enough lens in there, Sonny. How much time do you have? I've won gold 14 times in the last 2 years for freestyle, hand-to-hand combat twerking. I've done grappling twerking, which I invented on Tuesday. I've also got Twerker of the Month twice in January. I don't know, you tell me how good I am. Strictly Come Twerking, it's in the pipeline. I've not found enough contestants who satisfy the grade. I might have to compete and judge and probably win it, but twerking out.
En nou is dit weer vir daai storie van die week. Jy weet, what the flits. 'n Dronk 24-jarige man het buitekant 'n takeaway restaurant besluit om 'n Land Rover te hump. Soos hulle dit noem, simulating sex. Vroeër die aand het hy ook gewag vir sy Sosati binne in die restaurant tot hy die toonbank gehump. Nou sê sy vriende hy was tired and exhausted. Good play on pun. En nou sy naam op Facebook, Daniel Hotcock Cooper. So daar's 'n produk wat uit is en jy kan dit blykbaar kry en dan kan jy soos menigte mense oor die wêreld ook twerk. Weet nie hoe dit werk nie, check net hierdie uit.
From the brainchild of the Twerk King. Welcome to the Twerk Station. This is where we hand, make, form and shape personalized twerk asses. As usual, I'm ahead of the game, Miley. What this is, it's a brand new product. As you can see, it's nice and thick for those lacking in glutimus maximus. Right, what we've got here is we've got hand sculptured. We bring you in, we measure you up, we make sure you've got nice spandex to wear out in the evening. We shape it out. What we do is we bring the magic. What we've got here, flat surface. That'll match your flat surface, cheeky. First thing we've got to do is make sure it goes in smooth, right? So we got slippery when twerking. And we've got Pez dispenser, comes with every fake twerk bum. Always Pez when twerking. Secondly, once it's in, it's got to stay in, right? You don't want one of your phony bums running down your thigh into your spandex looking like you've got a back knee. So, what we do, it's called Stick It Where It Hurts. You're ready to go. Put on your best spandex, white ones, preferably no holes, and at least it should cover your cankles. And we put it in. So don't forget, twerk safely and in pairs. If like me, You think something glittery should be revolving around you that isn't the sun? Twerking wrecking balls. The real deal. Get your hand on my balls.
En net voor ons gaan, Boomtown Rat se frontman Bob Geldof gaan die eerste rockstar in space wees. Maar ek seker daar was ander rockstars wat al baie hoër as hy was. Klik subscribe en doen jou ding en klik hier so as jy nog vorige episodes van MK Flits wil sien. No, there's no limit. Ons sien jou by die bar.